Pour Listerine on a cotton ball and then rub your armpits. The result is unbelievable. Did you know that Listerine, which was formulated in 1879, was originally developed as a surgical antiseptic and historically has been used for all sorts of things? Yes, you can use Listerine to rub it under your arms. It works great. Listerine is great for fighting underarm odors whenever you are in a pinch. And it's very simple. Just pour some Listerine onto a cotton ball and gently dab it under your arms. Soak your feet in it. Listerine can also be great for getting rid of toenail fungus. Here's what you need to do. You just have to make yourself a Listerine foot bath and allow your toes to soak for half an hour. Or you can add a little bit of white vinegar for particularly bad cases. Pour it down the toilet. Did you know that Listerine can actually clean and deodorize your bowl? Well, yes. And all you have to do is pour a little in and use your toilet brush to give things a light scrub. Not only will it clean your toilet, but it will also give it a great shine and a good smell. Dab it on your itches. Listerine on your itchy bug bites can give you some much-needed relief. The experts highly recommend using it for itchy reactions to poison ivy or poison oak. Wet your hair with it. Yes, just wet your hair with it. Because Listerine was once marketed as a way to get rid of dandruff. Well, this means that you should give it a try. Just massage some Listerine onto the scalp. Wrap your hair in a towel and wash it out after you've allowed it to do its work.